Alright, here's a little video about my EDC bag. It's a 511 Rush 6. There's the smallest one in the Rush series. And see, we'll just start on the outside here, kind of go over all the different stuff. On this side I have the 511 bottle carrier. Good size for just about any water bottle. It just attaches. You can see with a couple clips. I just slide through the MOLLE straps there. On this side, got a little Maxpedition. Forget the name of it, but it's a little clip. And I just use it to keep my keys there. This just attaches with Velcro. There. This is a Ontario, I forget the name of it, little rescue tool. There's a seatbelt cutter, oxygen wrench, and it says, I think it says it could be a glass breaker too, but I don't think it'd really work that well. In the front compartment here, most of the stuff I use on a daily basis. Open this up a little bit here. Got my Maxpedition micro pocket organizer, the CRKT Eaton tool, side. Just some of the stuff I use every day: Blistex, flashlight, lighter, backup pen. Actually, all this stuff is kind of the backup stuff. And here I have a little holder for pills. Keep my pills in there. Ibuprofen mostly. Toothbrush. Gotta keep your breath fresh. I actually use that for cleaning out gunk out of like knives and other tools and things. Clean off my phone. Got a pry bar here from Tennick Knife Works. Really nice guy. Use that one all the time. Let's see. Gerber multi-tool. I have a friend in the Army and he gave me this. This is a backup one for him. So, I'll flick it out real quick. So, actually a really nice tool. Use it all the time. Tons of stuff. And it's held up really good. Got some Sugru. If you need to patch anything up. I don't know if maybe you used this before. It's just like a moldable rubber thing. Come in handy. I've used it a couple times. Pencil for doodling. I like drawing stuff once in a while. Got these. Key Smart. This has my house keys on it. Actually don't use those very often. Usually use my garage door opener. My work keys on a key bar. Keep it hanging on here. This is where I keep it when I'm not using them, and then when I go to work I take it off and clip it in my pocket. Back here I have a backup knife. You know, different ones I use. Right now I've got my little quartermaster in there, just because it's a fun little knife to get out, play with, flip it around, do fun stuff with it. Also have here backup lighter. Never have too much fire. And something I don't have in here right now because I'm actually using it is an extra cable to plug my phone in to charge. I have my phone charging with it right now. So another one broke. And there's a couple pockets here. This one I keep a spare mag. Let's see. Alright. The main compartment here. Got here hand sanitizer. I'm dealing with the public all day. That comes in handy all the time. Got backup paracord just for whatever. More often than not, I just use it to make a quick lanyard or something if I get bored. It's a CPR mask. So if I have to perform CPR, I don't want to be putting my mouth on any of the people I might be having to perform it on. And then SMOAB in here, used for all kinds of stuff, from padding stuff when I'm moving, to using it as a blanket to keep my son warm, use it as a scarf if I get cold, all kinds of stuff. Got it for that pocket. Got here a little sunglass pocket. Sunglasses in. This is, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a soft felt-like lining in there, so it doesn't scratch up your glasses. Here, I think they call this a communications pouch. It's designed so you can put a radio in it. There's a little hole behind it where you can thread out a cable for an antenna. And I use it for keeping a spare wallet. This has punch cards, rewards cards, insurance cards, stuff I don't use all the time but like to have with me just in case. And I also got a couple flossers in there. I always have a ton of these on me. The very back, another little pocket here, and I've got extra hank. Always have one in my pocket, but that one gets dirty or if I need to back up, got it. Some tea. And my micro EDC pouch, if I need to leave this one behind but want to have some tools, I can grab this, throw it in my pocket. It's got a bunch of stuff that can come in handy: flashlight, pry bar, knives, tweezers, pen, not SD card, a little memory stick thing, a little multi-tool. That's about it, except for one more thing if I didn't notice. Hidden pocket. Keep a little something extra in there just in case. You never know. So that's my EDC bag. Never leave home without it.